All right, let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. It's everywhere online these days, but how did it all begin? How does it actually work? And is it all it's cracked up to be? We'll be exploring all that and more in this deep dive.
You hear affiliate marketing, and I bet most people think, oh, Amazon.
Yeah, probably.
But the story goes way back.
Way back. How way back are we talking?
Way, way back to, well, before most people even thought of the internet as we know it. We're talking 1989.
Wow. Okay, so what, like dial-up bulletin boards and stuff?
Not even. It all started with a company called PC Flowers and Gifts.
PC Flowers and Gifts? Wait, flowers?
Yep. Flowers. They partnered with Prodigy Network, one of the early online services. People could order flowers online through Prodigy, and PC Flowers and Gifts paid a commission for each sale.
Wow, that's pretty clever for 1989. I had no idea.
It was a revolutionary idea. They actually made millions each year through the partnership.
Millions. So what happened? Why isn't PC Flowers and Gifts like, the Amazon of flowers?
Well, that's the interesting part. It seems they might not have been ready for how quickly the internet was changing.
So they kind of missed the boat as things took off.
You could say that, but their idea stuck around. Then in 1994, CD Now, the online music store, launched their own affiliate program.
Ah, CD Now. Takes me back. So what were they doing?
Pretty much the same model we see today. Music websites would link to albums on CD Now. When someone clicked and bought a CD, the website earned a commission.
Makes sense. But then Amazon came along, right?
Exactly. They launched their associate program in 1996, and, well, they took it to a whole new level.
Right. So Amazon wasn't the first, but they definitely made it huge.
They did. They had a great platform, a massive product catalog, and really good timing.
What do you mean timing?
Well, think about it. This was right around the time Web 2.0 was emerging.
Okay, Web 2.0, that's what blogs and social media, right? How does that connect to making money through affiliate links?
It's all about user-generated content. People were already talking about products and recommending things online. Affiliate links just made it easy to monetize those conversations.
Oh, I see. Like someone writes a blog post about their favorite sneakers and includes an affiliate link to buy them.
Exactly. It felt more organic, less like those in-your-face ads people were used to.
Makes sense. So you had blogs reviewing products, forums, sharing deals, all with these embedded affiliate links.
It really changed the game. So knowing a bit about how we got here, I think it's time to dive into how affiliate marketing actually works today, the nitty-gritty of it all.
Okay, let's do it. I'm curious, how do these affiliates actually get paid? Is it just about sales?
Well, mostly, but it's not that simple.
Okay, I'm all ears.
The most common way is pay per sale, or PPS. It's exactly what it sounds like. An affiliate gets a percentage of each sale they generate.
So drive traffic, get sales, get paid. Makes sense.
Right, but there's also cost per action, or CPA.
Cost per action. What's that?
It's when you get paid for a specific action, like someone signing up for a newsletter or downloading an app.
Oh, interesting. So it's not always about an immediate sale.
Exactly. And there are a few other less common ways, like cost per click, CPC, and cost per mil, or CPM. Those are more about generating awareness and traffic.
So there's a model for pretty much any goal.
Pretty much. Now, when it comes to the affiliates themselves, some operate independently with their own websites or social media, but there are also these huge networks.
Like Amazon Associates.
Right. They connect tons of merchants with potential affiliates.
So kind of like the matchmakers of the affiliate marketing world.
Exactly. They handle all the tracking, payments, even provide tools for both sides.
Wow. Pretty comprehensive. But you mentioned earlier that some merchants run their own affiliate programs in-house. Why would they do that?
It's about control. Some businesses want to choose their affiliates carefully, set their own terms, and have access to all their data directly.
Makes sense. So it's a trade-off between convenience and customization. But now I've got to ask about the elephant in the room. We've talked about all the upsides, but there's a dark side to affiliate marketing, right?
Oh, absolutely. And that's where things get complicated. There's a lack of industry-wide standards, and that leads to some shady practices.
Okay, let's get into it. What kind of shady stuff are we talking about?
Well, for starters, spam. Those aggressive email blasts, misleading content, all that stuff designed to trick clicks.
Oof, yeah, I've seen those.
And it really hurts the reputation of legitimate affiliate marketers.
For sure. But spam's not the only problem, right?
No. There's also malicious browser extensions that hijack clicks, cookie stuffing where people steal credit for sales they didn't make, trademark bidding.
Hold on, cookie stuffing, what's that?
Well, imagine someone sneaks their tracking cookie onto your computer without you knowing. Then, days later, you buy something from a completely different site.
And they get credit for the sale even though they had nothing to do with it.
Exactly. It's all about gaming the system. And then there's adware, bombarding people with unwanted ads often tied to affiliate products.
Sounds like a minefield out there. So with all these ethical problems, what's being done to clean things up?
Well, that's the tough part. There isn't really a consistent set of rules across the industry.
So no real way to make sure everyone plays fair.
Pretty much. And that lack of transparency hurts everyone involved.
So what's the solution? How do we make sure affiliate marketing has a positive future?
It's all about transparency and ethical practices. Consumers are getting smarter. They want real recommendations, not just someone pushing products for a quick buck.
Totally. And with all this new technology coming along, like AI and Web 3.0, I bet things are going to get even more complicated.
Oh, absolutely. It's a fascinating time to be watching this space evolve. It really is fascinating. Now, when we talk about the players in this world, it's not just merchants and affiliates. There's a whole landscape of websites and platforms where all the action takes place.
Right, makes sense. So besides in the big networks like Amazon Associates, what other types of affiliate sites are out there?
Well, you've got those niche websites, the ones that really focus in on a specific area, like maybe organic baby food or travel tips for solo female backpackers.
Right, I've seen those. They build a whole community around a specific interest.
Exactly. And then there's the coupon and deal sites.
Ah, those are always popular.
Right. Everyone loves a good bargain. They bring together all these discounts from different merchants and earn a commission when people use them.
Yeah, and it works out well for both sides, right? Merchants get more sales and customers save money.
Win-win. And then you have the comparison sites, the ones that let you compare prices and features from different sellers.
Oh yeah, those are super useful when you're trying to make a big purchase.
Absolutely. Helps you make informed decisions. And of course, we can't forget about those huge affiliate networks we talked about, like Amazon Associates. They connect so many merchants with potential affiliates and handle all the back-end stuff.
Right. It's amazing how they streamline the whole process. But you mentioned earlier that some merchants choose to manage their own affiliate programs. Why would they go through all that effort when these networks make it so easy?
Well, sometimes it's about control, Some merchants want to handpick their affiliates, set their own commission rates, and have all their data in-house.
I can see that. More control, more customization. It's like building your own house versus buying one that's already built.
That's a great analogy. But now let's talk about the ethical side of things, because there are definitely some gray areas in the affiliate marketing world.
Yeah, for sure. Especially with influencer marketing becoming so huge. It's getting harder and harder to tell when someone actually loves a product versus when they're just promoting it for the money.
Absolutely. That's a big concern. I mean, how do you know if someone gives you a genuine recommendation or just trying to make a quick buck?
Exactly. And with all the trust that influencers build with their followers, it seems like they have a responsibility to be transparent,
Oh, absolutely. They have a big platform, and with that comes a responsibility to use it ethically. But it's a tough balance.
Yeah, where do you draw the line between, recommending product you genuinely like and just chasing those affiliate dollars? And what about the brands? What's their role in all this?
Well, brands need to step up too, They need to encourage transparency, set clear guidelines for their affiliates, and even penalize those who engage in shady practices.
Right. It's a shared responsibility to build trust and keep things ethical. But it's not all doom and gloom, right? Are there any positive trends emerging in the affiliate marketing world?
Oh, for sure. One thing I'm seeing is a shift towards quality over quantity. It's not just about blasting out as many affiliate links as possible. It's about building genuine relationships with audiences and creating valuable content.
So it's more about actually helping people and being authentic.
Exactly. And some affiliate marketing platforms are really focusing on transparency and ethical practices, even incorporating blockchain technology for more accountability.
Wow. Blockchain and affiliate marketing, that's pretty cool.
It is. So with all these changes happening, what do you think are the biggest challenges facing affiliate marketing in the future?
Well, with all this new technology coming along, like AI that can write blog posts and social media content, it's going to be interesting to see how things shake out.
You're right, and the need to personalize the customer experience is only going to grow. People expect those tailored recommendations.
Right, it's like the Netflix effect. Everyone wants that level of personalization.
Exactly. So affiliate marketers need to get smarter about using data and analytics.
It's not just about driving traffic anymore. It's about driving the right traffic to the right products.
Exactly. And they have to do all this while respecting user privacy, which is becoming increasingly important.
So what do you think? Where is affiliate marketing heading in the future?
Well, I think we'll see the lines between affiliate marketing and other forms of digital marketing continue to blur.
Oh, what do you mean?
Imagine influencers seamlessly integrating affiliate links into live streams, or virtual reality experiences with shoppable product placements.
Wow. That sounds pretty futuristic.
It is, and as all this evolves, ethical considerations will have to be front and center.
It's going to be a wild ride. I can't wait to see how it all unfolds. Wow. That was a lot to take in. We really went deep on affiliate marketing today.
We did, from those early days with, PC, flowers and gifts? Flowers, to all these new technologies shaping the future. It's a pretty wild world.
It is, and I think our listeners now have a much better understanding of how it all works. But before we wrap up, I want to leave everyone with something to think about, something to ponder as they keep exploring the digital marketing landscape.
All right, hit me with it. What's the final brain teaser?
Well, we talked about the ethical challenges, right? Especially with influencer marketing. But what happens when those lines between content and marketing get so blurry you can't even tell the difference anymore?
That's the big question, isn't it? How do you know if you're getting a genuine recommendation or just a cleverly disguised sales pitch?
Right. It's not just about disclosing those affiliate links. It's about acknowledging the inherent bias that comes with any paid promotion.
And it goes beyond influencers, too. Think about those native advertising articles that look like regular content but are actually sponsored by a brand.
Yeah. Are readers always aware that they're being marketed to? It's getting tricky.
It really is. And as affiliate marketing keeps evolving, we're going to have to keep asking these tough questions.
So it seems like the future of affiliate marketing hinges on finding that balance, between being persuasive but also ethical, being transparent and engaging.
Absolutely. It all comes down to trust. Consumers are savvier than ever. They can sniff out a phony a mile away.
So it's not just about getting those clicks and sales anymore. It's about building genuine connections with people, providing real value, and being upfront about how affiliate marketing fits into all of that.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Well, it's been awesome exploring this world with you today.
Likewise. Always a pleasure.
And to all our listeners out there, stay curious, stay informed, and keep on learning. 61